evening all, welcome back to the channel. This time I'll be reviewing a Crosstour dashcam. So come on, I'll show you it. Well, I've been wanting a dashcam for ages, and I've been using this GoPro in my car to record some footage. Anyway, you have to do a bit of research, including looking on Techmoan's website and his YouTube channel. Put links in the description below. And I was looking on Amazon and I came across the Crosstour dashcam. Had a lot of good reviews, so I thought just shy of 40 quid delivered on Amazon Prime. Be worth a punt. So I ordered it last night and came in the post today, so let's get it opened up. And as you can see, it's a Crosstour CR500. It's supposed to do a full 1080p HD. It's got a 170 degree angle wide lens, 2.7 inch LCD, and I believe this has the Sony sensor on it. Anyway, let's get it opened up, and let's see what we have. We have got the manual, and there's a box that says accessories. So let's see what's in there, and we have a USB lead with the SIG lighter charger on it. Just move this stuff out of the way. And we have a windscreen mount, rubber sucker with the mount. And it looks like another USB. So actually, it's a mini USB cable. I think this long lead, that's a USB. Mini USB cable. Right, and this looks like the camera itself. Let's have a look. And yep, here we are. This is and there we go. That's the camera itself. It's quite small, and we'll just peel off this protective layer on the lens and on the screen. Alright, I think first thing I need to do is get some power and grab an SD card. I'll be right back. Right, I've got my SD card and I've got some power. Yeah, so first thing I need to do is open this up. It's lucky I had this spare one. I'll just open this. Right, I've got my SD card out, so just put it in the camera. It goes into SD slot there. I get it the right way around. Usually goes in one way and then you hear it clicking. Right, I'll just get some power to this. There's a USB port at the bottom. There's also one on there on the mount, but we'll use that one when it's installed in the car. So get some power on, and there we go, powering up. So I'm not going to go through menu buttons because I ain't a clue, I've not read manual yet. So let's see what buttons we've got here. It's like a power button at the top, and a couple on the side for going up and down menus. So what I'll do is I'll let this charge for a while before I put it in the car. Okay, now it's time to install the dash cam in the car. I've been playing around with the settings on it, so first thing I do is unlock it. Right now, the usual place is somewhere up here behind the rear view mirror. So unfortunately it's gonna go dark soon. These lights are gonna go out before long. So normally you would put the camera sort of somewhere up here. I'm going to have to take this mount off that I've been using for GoPro. Just pull that off, and it's just a bit dark in here. Just get some light, and we can see what we're doing. So normally you put the dash cam sort of there. Let's have a look to it. I'm not happy with that because I can see there. Further back, I'm probably best starting the engine. With this you need to put your foot on the brake. There we go now. Get the interior lights on.
Young at heart, no cares in the world. Here we are now.
There we go. Got a bit of light.
Still playing it. I'm still playing. I've got a foot.
And it's just to test it out. Let's have a look. Yep, I'm happy with the position of that. So what I'll do is I'll get this wire in a better place. Just run it round here and see how we go. Alright, well I've had to use this short USB wire because running the wire around here is an absolute pain, and I'll have to try it again some other time. So this is to be continued. It is now the next night, and I've had another go at rerouting this cable through here. Now what I've had to do with this trim is I've had to I managed to prise it off. I don't know if you can see from here, there's an airbag. So I've had to route the wiring in such a way that it doesn't interfere with the airbag, because you don't want that deploying, and there's this wire in the way. So just need to route that through. But first thing I need to do is get all this get this wiring neatened up, and to that end I've got all these cable ties. Anyway, I won't bore you with it all, so I'll show you when it's all done. Right, I've managed to get it done. So it runs from the mounting up there, secured it with a couple of cable ties, and then secured it up there with a bit of tape, a bit of electrical tape, running it along here, if you can see it. And I originally tried to route it this way, to avoid the airbag, but it was too short, so I had to run it down the other side and down here. You can still see some of it, and then round here, on top of the glove box, down the side, and just fits. I could have done with a longer one, but anyway, it's all installed. It should be a bit neater than the on my previous job. I just need to pack all my tools away and then I'm done. Well, I've had the dash cam in the car for quite a number of days now, and I managed to get a bit of footage off it. We'll just go through it and show you what it's like under the various conditions. Now what we have is a nighttime view in street lights, and as you can see the picture quality is good, and you can even see the number plates on the car. Now what we have is daytime coming out from daylight under a road bridge. Now, as you've just noticed, there's a 1 second overlap between clips on the camera, which can be quite easily edited out, which isn't a major problem if you've got software like Adobe Premiere. And now we're coming back out into the daylight, and it does take a while to adjust, but it does adjust fairly quickly. And another day nighttime scene without street lights, and I think it's pretty much realistic, which is handy in the event of an accident. You know, what's on the camera is exactly what you see. And here we have another daylight shot in bright sunlight, and as you can see, it is absolutely brilliant. Now the audio is quite good on here, so I'll just shut up and you can listen to audio.
We packed right on end on there, didn't we?
Those are Wetherspoons building up there. Well, that wraps it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope it helps you. If you were thinking of buying this camera, now you know what it can and cannot do. Please remember to like and subscribe. Questions and comments, just put down below. Thanks for watching, as ever, and I'll see you later.